The other day on the forums we saw that people were saying don't catch drones. So we thought we would show everyone how to catch the 5 most popular drones that we have. We start with the Tello, the mini drone, then we go to the DJI Spark, then we look at the Mavic Air, then we go a little bit larger to the Mavic Pro, and finally we finish it off with the Phantom 4. Unfortunately the wind was so bad by the time we got up to the Phantom 4 we decided to film the Phantom 4 at home. So we hope you enjoy this video, very quick one, just showing you how to catch a drone. So drone number 1, the Tello. This is made under license with DJI, it uses DJI's technology, and it's actually a throw drone. So it's actually designed to take off and land in your hand. In fact, I don't think we've, except for when we've actually crashed it in flight, I don't think we've ever taken it off or landed it on the ground. I think it's always come to my hand or to TJ's hand. So let's take this one off. So to go straight into it, we go into settings, into flight mode, throw mode, and throw the drone. There we go. Let's go up a little bit. And then to bring it back down, tap to land, hand landing, there we go. Can't be easier than that. Bella's running my teleprompter today, so this is our dog Bella, and she's running the teleprompter today. Bella, have you made sure the teleprompter is ready to go? Okay, good girl. She's just moving over there to set up the teleprompter for me right now. Thank you, Bella. The Spark, smallest drone in the fleet. This is drone number 2. Nice and easy to take off, nice and easy to land. Keep your palm flat. This drone is designed for a palm takeoff and a palm landing. It's that easy to do. You can't twist it to turn it off. You have to use the landing, and you just keep pulling back on the landing on a palm land with your palm nice and flat. Let's have a look. Let's take it off. Off it goes. It's designed for a palm takeoff. It's also designed for the palm land. So we'll bring it in, palm nice and flat. And we're done. Fingers are nice and safe, not a problem at all. It's that simple to do. This drone never touches the ground either. This is a drone that we want to keep above the ground all the time. It's the Spark. It's a great little drone to use almost anywhere, and it's got a nice, great two-way stabilizing gimbal. Absolutely perfect for selfies and quick videos. Drone number 3 is the Mavic Air. This is my favorite drone to fly, nice and easy. The propellers are level, which makes it easier to catch and release. I usually use a palm takeoff, and I grab the body to catch it when it comes in for a landing. The main reason I don't like this one being on the ground when I take off and when I land is because it's so close to the ground. I don't like using the stands that that you can buy with it. So to take it off the palm, slide the takeoff, and off it goes. Okay, to land the drone, just bring it down. Keep on pulling the drone down until you can catch it, and then twist it and it'll stop. It's that easy. And it's nice and clean. This drone has been flown probably in excess of 100-150 hours, and it's still clean. You know why it's clean? I don't let it touch the ground. Drone number 4. Really simple, this one, but you've got to make sure you keep your fingers low. Make sure you avoid these blades here. The front blades, you've got plenty of room, you don't have to worry about at all. So drone number 4 is the Mavic Pro. The Mavic Pro to catch underneath, again, nice and easy. To take off, keep it away from your face, of course. Slide to take off. Off it goes. Bring it down to land. Watch your fingers. Twist it to turn off. That simple. Drone number 5, the Phantom 4, got too windy to carry on filming where we were filming the other day, so we're just doing this from home now. We're just going to take it up and bring it straight back down again. Again from the hands, hand control. The difference with this drone is it's actually not so bad to take it off from the ground, but you can't always land it on the ground afterwards. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to take it off from the ground, We're going to take it up and then we're going to bring it down, catch it and land it. Now the trick with the Phantom 4 is you cannot twist the Phantom to turn it off. You have to pull down on the joystick until it turns off by itself. As long as you're holding it steady and it doesn't go up and down, it will detect that it's landed and it will turn off. The main reason you would do this is if you are somewhere where you can't actually land it easily. So for example, if you put it down where there is long grass or something like that after your flight. So we'll take it off. Up it goes. Bring it back down. Catch it by the outside. And then just keep it going until it stops. That's it. That's how you catch a Phantom 4 or any of the Phantom series.